Why do some brands feel more relatable and memorable than others? Often, it's not the product, it's the story behind the brand. People don't just connect with products, they connect with stories. Simply put, a brand story is the story behind your business. It explains why the business started, what problem you wanted to solve, and what you believe in. A brand story matters because it helps people understand who you are and why a business exists. It makes your brand feel more human, more relatable, and more memorable. When people understand the reason behind your business, they are more likely to trust and support your brand. Imagine a bakery. Without a story, it might simply say, "We bake fresh bread and pastries." But with a story, it might say, "I started this bakery because I wanted families in my community to have access to fresh bread made with simple ingredients. Today we bake everything fresh daily and focus on quality and care. Our goal is to become the most loved bakery in the region." 3 sentences which are simple and clear, and suddenly the bakery feels more personal and meaningful. That is what a brand story does. It adds context and connection. Do keep in mind, a brand story is not a long company history, a list of achievements, or a corporate biography. It's not about impressing people, it's about connection. Your brand story can be used in many places. For example, your about page on your website, your brand strategy document when introducing your business to clients, and your marketing materials, or sometimes in social media posts. It helps explain who your brand is and what it stands for. A simple way to write your brand story is to use the 3-sentence formula. It works well because it naturally connects your purpose, mission, and vision, which we discussed in a previous video. But just as a reminder, purpose is why your business exists. Mission is what you do every day to live out that purpose. And vision is where you want to go. Your brand story simply turns those ideas into a short narrative. Here's the structure. Sentence 1, the beginning, also known as your purpose. This covers why the business started. Sentence 2 is what you do today, your mission. How does your business help people? And sentence 3 is about impact, your vision. What do you want to build or change in the future? If you combine these 3, you have a brand story. But it doesn't have to be strictly according to this. You can tweak it as you like. Remember, it is your brand story after all. A common mistake people do make though is trying to make a brand story sound too perfect or too corporate. People don't connect with perfect stories. They connect with honest ones. Your story doesn't have to be dramatic. It just needs to be real. To sum up this video, your brand story explains why your business exists, what problem you care about, and how you want to help people, which helps customers see the human side of your brand. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.